Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to subscribe to a channel on Kahoot. Now once you subscribe to a channel on Kahoot, that means you're going to pay for it. There's some other you pay for. So for example, let's click on discover to see the channels we have access to. These are the channels, so let's view all. Let's say I want to subscribe to this channel. Now you click on it. If you don't need to subscribe, this is free. As you can see, it's free, so there's no subscription option. You will see the follow option. Just simply follow. But if it is not free, I want to show you the one it's not free. Like this one is not free. If it is not free, you see the option for subscribe with the amounts there, so you click on it. Let's say you want to subscribe to it, so you get the information about it. Then you click on subscribe again. Now you can cancel anytime in your Google Play subscription. So click on subscribe, and next you're going to do add a payment option, debit, credit card, and from there you continue. Follow the on-screen prompt. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.